Hi guys, hope you're all well. So I've just fitted a Haltech dash to the track car and for while I'm at it, I'm going to just take all these off and paint the whole car white as far as I can get up to the bulkhead, and then a tunnel, give it a tidy up because there's a lot less wiring now going from the back to the front, so all the wiring was going down the near side up there. There's a little fuse box there for some of the lights and then into the dash. Yeah, it's what it looks like now. Join me back when I've got everything stripped down, ready to paint it. Alright, time for wipe over before we start the painting. Okay, that's all the painting done. So let it dry. Got the heater on. It's a bit colder in London today. So let that dry and we box it up. So once I box it up, I'm going to go through the Haltech dash, show you guys how it works. And also I've got some news. I was using the GoPro on the mount there, and then I was using the draggy lap timer to do my lap timing. Guys, I've actually got the AIM samartycam and solo2 DL coming. I'll install that, guys, and I'll show you the video when it happens. Hi guys, so in-car wiring setup is almost finished. So there's the Haltech dash and the solo2 DL all plugged in. Just go through dash layouts. So that's going to be my on sort of circuit one. Everyday use. Another similar one, just different colours. Again, different colours, just playing around with it. Lobo ring version with a green hell green. Old school one. And then just going through different settings in the dash. Old school one. There's a tyre pressure monitoring system, which I will get for this once they get all settled in. But yeah, Haltech dash is really cool. Definitely really good. And then the so the solo2 DL also comes in with a samartycam, which is there. All the wiring's all done nice and neatly now. So yeah, the reason why I got a solo2 DL is because before I had the draggy lap timer, I had the Garmin catalyst, and none of them were really done what I wanted to do. They just didn't capture everything I needed. But I think with this solo2 DL and the samartycam, we're really taking this up a notch, especially with the AIM software. Really should help improve my driving. Okay guys, so we're going to get this in-car camera setup done. So I'm going to start installing the samartycam. So there's the it came with that sort of tube mount there that you use with the circlip. I'm actually going to use one of these balls, which is of eBay, and they're by this company here. And actually really good. So that's going to go through the roll cage. So I've made a hole. That's going to go through. I'll bolt it up and get it all sort of in position. Okay, let's give that time down. Okay, right. Let's get this camera in position. Here's the samartycam. Give that tighten up. I'm screwing the cable as well. I've just got to screw the cable in. Make sure that's a nice length. Perhaps just throw a cable tie around that, make it a bit tighter, but that's looking really good. Right, that's camera in position. Now it's time to get the solo2 DL ball on it to go. Let's have a look at it next. Okay, now it's time to mount the solo2 DL lap timer. So I'm going to mount it to this bar here, and I'm going to mount it just next to the dashboard here. So it will just come out there somewhere. I'm going to be using the same mounting hardware as I used for the camera, just a bit longer, and it's going to kind of go kind of like that. So it will sit next to the display. Also, I can adjust it, fine tune it so it won't get in the way. But I can see it clearly through the steering wheel as I'm driving. So yeah, I'm going to take a dashboard back out, get it marked up. Okay, so I'm gonna mark and drill about there. Let's get the drilling done, get this bolted up. Okay, so hole drilled. Gonna bolt it down in a minute just to get it finally adjusted, but I just want to show you guys that's all the wiring that I've done. Well, we tied it all up, got rid of a lot of the wiring because I got rid of the central locking system. So yeah, so now the end goal really is to get a PDM in here, power distribution module, and an AIM dash to go with that. I've got the Haltech dash for now. I do like it, so I'm still considering that, but I do want a PDM, and that means I can get rid of all this, a lot more of the wiring, but I'm still running the factory ECU, and as you guys know, it used to be an automatic before I'd done the manual conversion, so I'm still running the automatic gear switch, and then the TCU. So in order for me to get the PDM, I'm going to also have to change the ECU. So what I'll probably end up doing is going for Link ECU to run the engine, and an AIM PDM to run the rest of the car, and then go for an AIM dash. But for now, I'm going to go for setup for the rest of the year. You know, budget is an issue, not a massive issue, but you know, you don't want to spend. So I'm going to track that at the end of the month. So let's carry on getting this solo2 DL boxed up and show how it looks. Gonna have to get the bolt off there. It's a bit too long using that leaky bolt to go through. Get that cut off, and then they're going to also set up a separate GoPro camera as well, possibly on this side of the roll cage here, facing driver and passenger. But anyway, let's get finished off first. Okay, so the solo2 DL is now bolted in to the crossbar there. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Again, it's a really good view for me with a dash there. Okay, let's get the dashboard back in, see how it looks, and fine tune it. Okay, so the dash is in. There's the ball ready for solo2 DL. Let's get it mounted up, see how it looks. Okay guys, all in, it's all wired up, ready to go. There's the AIM samartycam Sport 3. Again, it's a 67 degree, not the 84, so we'll just probably get that much of the screen in the shot, something like that. But I'll load the extra shots later when I download it, and it will looks like. Yeah, and the solo2 DL was all bolted in, mounted really well. There you can see it there, mounted on the back beam there. Next to the Haltech dash, let's start up and see how it looks. Ignition on, engine logo going out there, love all that. Haltech dash is about to fire up. So yeah, that's pretty much my setup now. As I said, I had also lap timers, apps and stuff before, but this is next level. The LEDs will show me if I'm fast or slow on track while I'm driving, and it's fantastic. Let's fire up so you can see the RPMs working. So yeah, that's all good, all working well. So I'm going to be having, as I said, the samartycam Sport 3 main camera, obviously for data analysis on the AIM software, and the GoPro that used to be there, I'm going to go bolt on that roll cage there and face driver and passenger. Guys, crack on with that, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so where the GoPro is going to go, as they're facing the passenger driver, that is got one of those wide remote buttons on it, so they go back in there where it was before. Okay guys, see what it looks like from the GoPro. Okay guys, thanks for joining me in this video about the Haltech Dash 2DL on samartycam Sport 3. Join me part 2 of this video when I'll be testing all this stuff out on track, giving you guys the first view of what's going on. We'll do some overlays, use data analysis, and hopefully it makes me fast on track. Guys, take care, see you soon, please subscribe, and all the best.